Hi everyone, it's me, Jenna Aparece, and for today's video, I'm gonna show you the 5 creative CapCut edits that you need to try. But first, let's focus on walking CapCut text reveal. Alam ko guys, sobrang common na niya, pero itatry ko pa rin siyang ituro sa inyo. So, sana guys may matutunan kayo sa akin. Hindi rin ako ganun ka-pro, pero itatry ko. Yung kung ano yung mga nalalaman ko or natutunan ko bago magsimula tong video. So, guys, what are we waiting for? Let's start!
Can I trust you're wearing tonight? If it's giving it to you just right, the way I did before, I overdosed. Should've known your love was a game. Now I can't get you out of my brain. Oh, it's such a shame that we don't talk anymore.
Guys, back po tayo dito. Narito po yung napili kong outfit. Lagyan lang natin guys, daily scroll. Ayan, after natin may lagay, i-export lang natin. And then i-add nyo lang ulit yung next lead, ay yung susunod nating step, para sa susunod po nating step. Mali. This is not the original. Wait lang, nasan pa yan? Ito guys. I-overlay lang natin. And then, pipiliin natin yung mas horizontal. Ayan guys. And then, na-export natin. And then, let's see. Wait. Sorry. Daming technical. Oh my god. Ang dami talagang technical problems. So, yeah. Ano ba? So, let's see. if it's, yeah, wait lang. Hirap na. Let us see. Play. Ayan. So, yeah. Ayan guys, so natapos na po natin yung tutorials at ayan guys, so natapos na po natin yun at sana may natutunan po kayo sa aking video at sana naiintindihan nyo guys. Kahit ako medyo nahihirapan ako kasi first time ko lang din siyang gawin para po sa vlog. So guys, kung hindi pa po kayo nakaka-subscribe sa aking channel, pakisubscribe nyo na po yan. At please like and share for more videos. At yun lamang po. Thank you for watching.
I wanna know, kind of dress you're wearing tonight. If it's giving it to you just right, the way I did before.